The 5 best 4K projectors in 2025. Imagine turning your living room into a private cinema. Crystal clear visuals, breathtaking colors, and a screen size that leaves TVs in the dust. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to make that dream a reality. Let's get started. Number 5. Epson Pro Cinema LS 12000. The Epson Pro Cinema LS 12000 is a long-throw 4K projector that truly delivers. With its laser light engine and a brightness of 2,700 lumens, this projector produces a vibrant, HDR-rich image that's perfect for a dimly lit home cinema. It supports both HDR10 and HDR10 Plus formats, ensuring every detail pops on the screen. One of the standout features of the LS 12000 is its versatility. It can project images as large as 130 inches. Yes, 130 inches of stunning, high-definition visuals. And thanks to its vertical and horizontal lens shift, setting it up with a projection screen is a breeze. No awkward adjustments or compromises, just an easy, precise setup. The LS 12000 also comes with a pair of HDMI 2.1 ports, which means it supports 4K at 120 Hz gamers. This is your dream projector. You'll get smooth, fast-paced visuals with no lag, whether you're gaming or streaming your favorite movies. Now, let's talk picture quality. While the LS 12000 shines brightest in a dark room, here's the cool part. Even in less than ideal lighting, its performance is still impressively acceptable. That's not something many projectors in this price range can claim. Sure, it's not exactly budget-friendly, but for those looking to save a little, Epson offers the nearly identical S11000 model. While it sacrifices some contrast and black detail, it's still an excellent alternative. Number 4. LG Cinebeam Question. The LG Cinebeam Q is an absolute showstopper. Wrapped in a sleek all-metal case with a unique 360-degree rotating handle, it's more than just a projector. Whether it's sitting on a shelf or table, it's bound to grab attention even when it's not in use. But don't let the stylish exterior fool you. This projector is serious about performance. With 4K resolution, HDR10 support, and LG's RGB laser DLP light engine, it delivers stunningly accurate and detailed images right out of the box. The Filmmaker Mode preset ensures that what you're watching looks exactly as intended. However, its brightness is capped at 500 ANSI lumens, meaning it performs best in dark rooms, where the visuals can truly shine. Setting it up? A breeze. Thanks to its auto-screen adjustment and autofocus features, you can move it around effortlessly and still get a perfect picture. For those who love tweaking settings, LG offers plenty of manual adjustments to fine-tune your experience. Now let's talk about content. The Cinebeam Q runs on LG's WebOS platform, the same system found on their TVs. That means you'll have access to all the major streaming apps like Netflix, Disney+, Apple TV+, and YouTube, making movie nights a cinch. However, there are a couple of limitations to keep in mind. This projector is portable, but it doesn't have a built-in battery or an external battery accessory. So, it's not the best option for outdoor viewing unless you're near a power source. And while it does have a built-in speaker, the sound is, well, underwhelming, weak, and a bit tinny. But here's the good news. You can pair it with up to 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously, like a soundbar or headphones, for a far superior audio experience. Finally, its compact size doesn't hold back on versatility. With projection sizes ranging from 50 to 120 inches and connectivity options like HDMI and USB-C, the Cinebeam Q adapts easily to your needs, whether it's a cozy movie night or a big presentation. Number 3. JVC DLA NZ800 Projector. The JVC DLA NZ800 combines cutting-edge tech with impeccable design. At its core is JVC's fluorescent laser light source, paired with a newly upgraded DILA 4K chipset. What does that mean for you? Stunningly deep blacks, brighter and sharper images, and an overall uniformity that screams premium. But wait, there's more. This beast doesn't just deliver native 4K visuals. It takes things up a notch with its 8K/eShift-X processing. Imagine your favorite movies and shows looking crisper and more detailed than ever before. The HDR performance? Simply state-of-the-art. Thanks to JVC's dynamic tone mapping and theater optimizer, everything from HDR10 to HDR10 Plus content looks absolutely breathtaking. The NZ800 also brings some impressive upgrades. With a brightness of 2,700 lumens and a native contrast ratio of up to 100:1. It's a visual feast even in moderately lit rooms. Plus, new features like the deep black function, balanced dynamic laser mode, and vivid picture setting make every scene pop with vibrant clarity. And let's talk gaming and compatibility. With 2 HDMI 2.1 inputs, This projector supports 8K at 60 frames per second and 4K at a blazing 120 frames per second. Gamers rejoice. Plus, it's 3D ready, delivering punchy visuals with zero crosstalk for an immersive viewing experience. Now, don't let its size intimidate you. At about 20 inches wide and nearly 20 inches deep, it's big, but its flexible installation options, whether you're ceiling mounting or using a stand, make it surprisingly easy to set up. And the remote? Super intuitive. It's all about effortless control. Number 2, Samsung, the Premier 9. Looking to turn your living room into a cinematic masterpiece? Meet the Samsung Premier 9, the next-gen 4K ultra-short throw projector that's redefining home entertainment. Samsung's first, the Premier, was already impressive, but this new model takes it to a whole new level. Let's dive in. First up, brightness. The Premier 9 boasts a triple laser light engine, pumping out an incredible 3,450 ISO lumens. That means bright, punchy pictures with exceptional clarity, even in rooms that aren't pitch black. And here's the best part. It's ready to go straight out of the box with excellent color accuracy and detail. But what really sets this projector apart? The sound. Samsung's object tracking sound AI-enhanced audio processing creates an immersive soundstage. You'll hear crystal clear dialogue and dynamic bass, and even feel like the sound is coming from above, all without the need for extra speakers. This is cinematic audio built right into the device. Now, let's talk convenience. The Premier 9 runs on Samsung's Tizen smart TV system, giving you access to all your favorite streaming apps. It even supports voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Samsung's Bixby. Whether it's Netflix, YouTube, or cloud-based gaming apps like Xbox and NVIDIA GeForce Now, it's all here at your fingertips. While it's not the top pick for hardcore gamers, thanks to a 60 Hz refresh rate and 53 milliseconds input lag, it still delivers a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. With a projection size ranging from 100 to 130 inches, you'll feel like you're in the middle of the action. So, who's the Premier 9 for? If you're after an all-in-one entertainment hub with stunning visuals, immersive sound, and smart features, this projector is hard to beat. It's sleek, powerful, and ready to transform your movie nights into unforgettable experiences. Number 1, Epson APQ Vision Ultra LS800. Looking for a projector that works perfectly whether it's day or night? The Epson APQ Vision Ultra LS800 is exactly what you need. Most projectors struggle to deliver a vibrant image when the lights are on, but the LS800 is different. With an impressive 4,000 lumens of brightness, this ultra-short throw projector keeps its punch even with overhead lights on, making it the perfect choice for sports, gaming, or just watching your favorite shows in the daytime. Packed with 3 LCD technology and a laser light engine, the LS800 delivers a sharp, crisp 4K image that's bound to impress. Streaming is a breeze with the Android TV platform, giving you access to popular apps, though keep in mind that Netflix isn't available due to Android TV's restrictions. It's also worth noting that the LS800 uses the older Wi-Fi 5 standard instead of Wi-Fi 6, so if you rely heavily on streaming via Wi-Fi, that's something to keep in mind. There's also no Ethernet port for a wired connection, which might be a deal breaker for some. Now, while this projector is all about brightness, it does mean the color accuracy might not be as rich as you'd see with some other projectors. That said, the picture quality is still excellent, and the vibrant, clear visuals more than make up for it. But what really sets the LS800 apart is its built-in Yamaha speaker system with virtual surround sound. It fills the room with powerful audio while keeping dialogue clear, making it a great all-in-one solution for small spaces where you don't want to bother with external speakers. If you're looking for a projector that can handle both bright daylight and cozy nighttime movie marathons, with sound strong enough to fill a small room, the Epson APQ Vision Ultra LS800 is a fantastic choice. This is a projector that truly shines in any lighting condition. Perfect for daytime viewing or when you just want the whole experience without extra equipment. The Epson LS800 is ready to elevate your entertainment to the next level. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more tech insights. Check out the links in the description for the best deals. See you in the next video.